There's hundreds of ways to lose your keys, but only one great way to ensure a low-cost, quick, and easy replacement. We've all lost our keys at some point, and some of us do it quite often. Today's keys are like small computers. It can be very expensive to replace when they're lost, stolen, or even damaged. Because of the advances in technology, the cost of buying and reprogramming a key and fob can often cost up to $800. With the Auto Armor Enhanced Protection Plan, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected from the cost of an unexpected key replacement. This program covers the cost up to $800 per year for lost, stolen, or even damaged keys. In addition, this service also covers the expensive cost of reprogramming your replacement key. Just give us a call. Protect your keys and yourself from the unexpected expense of losing your keys with the Auto Armor Enhanced Protection Key Replacement Program. For more information, talk to your auto dealer salesperson